Google just introduced a new protocol called agent-to-agent protocol. Most people might scroll past this headline, but in AI industry, this is infrastructure level news. Until now, mostly AI agents have worked in silos, doing their task in isolated environments, answering prompts, and automating workflows within their sandbox. They have been useful and even powerful, but disconnected. Put two agents from different ecosystems next to each other and things break. Not because of intelligence, but because they simply don't speak the same language. There is no standard way for them to talk to each other. It's like a room full of experts and we are expecting them to collaborate. But the problem here is that each one speaks a different language. And that's precisely the problem Google is addressing with A2A protocol. This protocol is an agreed upon way for agents to interact, coordinate, and collaborate regardless of who built them. This is Google laying down the framework for an AI agent world, just like how APIs do in software or teams do in real life. It is the shift from single agent intelligence to multi-agent ecosystems. So let's get started with what exactly is A2A and why does it matter for the future of AI. A2A stands for agent to agent. It's an open protocol, a common language that lets AI agents from different developers, platforms, and ecosystems to communicate to each other safely and effectively. And we are talking about the future where no one single AI agent does everything. Instead, we have dozens of agents that are specialized in their own particular task while coordinating with different agents. And you know what is the key word here? That is coordination. And that kind of coordination is only possible when there is an element of interoperability. So yes, the world of AI agents is exciting, but right now it is fragmented, which means it is a lot chaotic. And protocols like A2A point us towards a more scalable, reliable, and open agent economy. So you might be in product, tech, venture, or operations. This is the development that you must know about. Because I strongly believe that the people who understand the element of interoperability today would be the ones who would be making the multi-agent systems tomorrow. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one.